Hello everyone, welcome to the SST classroom, and this is the part 2 of the video, the French Revolution chapter number 1 of the history. In the previous video I told you about the prehistory of the chapter, the map study of the France in the European continent, and the scene of the Bastille I also show you over there. Now today what we are going to study, causes of French Revolution. Why the people of the France were protesting against the King Louis. This we are going to study today. There were 6 reasons. Due to these reasons, France people were protesting against the King Louis. First, wars and economic crisis. Second, excessive taxation. Third, social disparity. Fourth, the rise of middle class. Fifth, the struggle to survive. Sixth, influence of the philosophers and the writers. The very first reason is war and economic crisis. When the King Louis ascended the throne, when he became the king of the France, before him the King Louis 14 and the 15 they were already involved in a war, and that war went till the 7 years. When the King Louis joined the throne and he ascended the throne, जब वो राजा बना, then the war was going on and he also joined up the war. What happened? What was the problem in that war? That all the money and all the resources of the country was invested in the war only, and that is why the people of the country was facing lots of the problem in many terms, in food, in taxes, in money, mostly in the form of money and in the form of food. The people were facing the problems. So this war went till 7 years. With whom they were fighting? They were helping the American colonies to gain their independence from Britain. Means American colonies and the Britain were fighting with each other, and France was helping the American colonies to gain freedom with the Britain people. And due to this war, all the money, all the economical system of the France get destroyed. They came into the big economic depression. People were facing lot of the problem, and France also went in the deep depth. Depth means क्या होता है? कर्जा. Means whenever a war is happened anywhere, कहीं पर भी अगर कोई war होती है तो it take a huge amount of investment of everything. Human resources, keep on, you have to send the armies to the war. 7 years is such a very huge long time period ना, तो keep on sending the armies, so human resource loss. Secondly, till 7 years lot of the investment of the money is required, weapons and all things, food and the hospitalization, the caring, everything needed over there. The person who gets injured over there, उसको भी एक ट्रीटमेंट की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. तो all of those things, all the economically things were invested in the war only, and that's why the conditions of the France became so worst. France also took the debt from the other countries. दूसरे राजाओं से, दूसरे देशों से भी उसने कर्जा ले लिया. सो दे वेंट इनटू द वेरी डीप डेप्थ. वो बहुत ही बड़े कर्जे में भी डूब गया. दैट इज़ वाई द पीपल ऑफ द फ्रांस आर फेसिंग प्रॉब्लम. नाउ व्हाट हैपन, when the depth was increased, so what the King Louis did, he imposed the taxes on the person. Excessive taxation he imposed on the person. Taxation, excessive taxation means higher amount of tax. बहुत ही ज़्यादा टैक्स उसने लोगों पर इम्पोज करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. But then this taxation system, there was a difference. Why the people started the revolution against the King Louis? Now what was the reason for that? You need to understand the social disparity of the France. This is also a reason of the French Revolution. Social disparity means King Louis, or before the King Louis also, when the Bourbon dynasty was going on, the France society was divided into 3 categories. It was divided into three categories: first state, second state, and the third state persons. In first state persons, clergymen, father of church, popes, and royal families. Clergyman means the person who performs the religious ceremonies in the Christian church. जो चर्च में आप लोगों ने अगर कभी चर्च देखा हो तो उसमें एक फादर होते हैं जो कि यूजुअली वहाँ पे प्रेयर वगैरह करते हैं। लाइक हमारे हिंदूज़ में जैसे छोटे छोटे से पंडित वगैरह होते हैं जो वर्किंग करते हैं, बट देयर इज़ अ वन पर्सन हु मेड आउट दी सच रूल्स, मतलब कुछ इंस्टीट्यूशंस होते हैं या उनसे भी बड़ा कोई होता है। ऐसे ही क्लर्जीमैन इज़ द सीनियर पर्सन ऑफ द फादर्स ऑफ द चर्च। जितने भी चर्च होते हैं उनका एक सीनियर पर्सन होता है। तो ऑल द क्लर्जीमैन्स केम इन दिस सोसाइटी स्टेट. Then the father of the church, popes, and the royal families. Royal families means family of the King Louis wife और उसके जो भी relatives होंगे, all of those persons they came in the royal families. Then second state person, landlords, aristocrats, educators, men of the noble birth. Noble birth means कोई भी ऐसी फैमिली, कोई भी पर्सन जो बहुत टाइम से कंट्री में रह रहे हों, दे मस्ट बी हैविंग अ गुड फैमिली। रॉयल पर्सन्स भी हो सकते हैं, उनको उनके बर्थ से जाना जाता है मेनली। दीज पीपल आर नोन एज द बर्थ और द नेटिव ऑफ द सोसाइटी। तो दे वर केप्ट इन द सेकेंड स्टेट पर्सन एंड ऑल द रिमेनिंग पर्सन्स वर केप्ट इन द थर्ड स्टेट, लाइक द फार्मर, पीजेंट्स, द पुअर पर्सन्स, द बिजनेस पर्सन्स, द मर्चेंट्स, the many of the persons were there in the society. If we talk about the percentage, so these two were having very less percentage of the society, means in 100% they were only the 20% and these were the 80%. But still these persons were having most of the rights and these persons were not having the right. So what happened when the France went into the deep depth, king louis made the new taxes and he also made introduced the new taxes and he imposed the higher taxes on the person. मीन्स जो पुराने टैक्सेस थे उनके भी चार्जेस बढ़ा दिए और नए नए टैक्स भी उसके ऊपर लगा दिए. बट द प्रॉब्लम वॉज है दैट ओनली थर्ड स्टेट पर्सन वॉज paying the tax. This was the problem and this create the hate in the people that why only we people have to pay all the taxes. The first state persons was not paying anything, second state person were not paying anything. They were exempted from all the rules and regulations made by the King Louis in the France. So they were not having any kind of problem over there. They were not facing any of the problem, but the third state persons were having the problem. So what kind of taxes they were paying? There were mainly three taxes: direct tax, indirect tax, and the church tax. All these of the taxes they were paying, and that is why the aggression of the people were very high, that why every time we have to pay the taxes. Then the next reason, the rise of the middle class. Rise of the middle class, then the people of the France were demanding that equality and fraternity in the society. They were demanding that we must get the equality, like the first state and second person states are getting the facilities, third state persons must get. If the third state persons are paying the taxes, then the first state and the second state persons should pay the tax. They were demanding it. But what happened? King Louis denied it. So the third state person started revolution against the King Louis. Then they were also struggling to survive their lives. The struggle to survive है, during this time period the population of the France increased rapidly. बहुत तेज़ी से वहाँ की जो population थी वो increase हो गई. Then what happened? Due to the rapid increase of the population, जो production थी food grains की उसकी market में shortage हो गई. फूड ग्रेन प्रोडक्शन मीन्स खाने की चीज़ें जो कुछ भी मार्केट में अवेलेबल होती थी. वाई? बिकॉज द प्रोडक्टिविटी वॉज लो. ऑलरेडी वहाँ की प्रोडक्शन जो थी वो लो थी, क्योंकि कंडीशंस वहाँ की वर्स्ट चल रही थी. फार्मर्स पीजेंट्स के पास भी इतना सारा मनी नहीं था. देवर अनेबल. तो प्रोडक्टिविटी वॉज लो, तो सप्लाई वॉज लो इन द मार्केट. तो वॉट हैपन, द प्राइजेज ऑफ द फूड ग्रेन एंड द ब्रेड्स वॉज वेरी हाई. जो खाने के प्राइजेस थे वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा महंगे थे. तो थर्ड स्टेट पर्सनस वर अनेबल टू अफोर्ड इट. उनको खाने के लिए कुछ मिलता ही नहीं था. देन ऑल ऑफ द सडन वॉट हैपन, अ नेचुरल डिजास्टर अकर्ड इन द फ्रांस. ड्रॉट और दी हेल. ड्रॉट मीन्स होता है सूखा, और हेल मीन्स होता है बहुत तेज़ आंधी बारिश, ओले गिरना. बर्फ़ के ओले आप लोगों ने बहुत जगह देखे होंगे. दैट इज़. तो व्हाट हैपेंड, ऑल ऑफ दी सडन इन द फ्रांस ड्रॉट एंड द हेल डिस्ट्रॉयड द होल प्रोडक्शन ऑफ द फार्मर. जो कुछ भी बची कुची प्रोडक्शन भी थी वहाँ की, ऑल ऑफ दी सडन ये डिज़ास्टर्स आ गए एंड ऑल द प्रोडक्टिविटीज़ गेट लॉस्ट. Worst, destroyed everything, and the condition becomes more worse for the persons. The people were not having enough food to eat, they were not having money to buy. मतलब मार्केट में जितना अवेलेबल भी था, तो they were not having enough money to buy that. तो what happened in that case, subsistence crisis occurred. Subsistence crisis means the shortage of the food. It is called shortage of the food, and when the basic need of a person becomes the threat. जब किसी ह्यूमन के लिए, किसी सोसाइटी में उसकी बेसिक नीड मीन्स खाना या पानी, लोगों के लिए थ्रेट बन जाए, डर बन जाए. तो वहाँ कंडीशंस ऐसी थी सोसाइटी में, फ्रांस में, दैट इफ़ अ पर्सन गेट्स द फूड, अगर किसी एक को खाना मिल जाता था खाने को, तो दूसरा पर्सन उससे लड़ने लगता था, और इतनी ज़्यादा फाइट होती थी दैट द पर्सन यूज टू किल ईच अदर फॉर द फूड. That was the condition. This is called subsistence crisis. Subsistence crisis, shortage of the food. So subsistence crisis occurred in the France, and the condition gets very worst. The women's and the childs were dying from the hunger, and the men's, mostly men तो सोसाइटी में थे ही नहीं, बिकॉज द सारे जो मेन थे उनको वॉर के लिए भेज दिया जाता था. तो इन द सोसाइटी ओनली द फीमेल्स एंड द चाइल्ड्स वर ओवर देयर. तो व्हाट टू डू विद देम, these people were facing lots of the problem in the society. And the next reason is the influence of the philosophers and the writers. Philosopher and writers, those who used to write the poem, stories, slogans, and these kinds of things. And through these stories and poems, they tell the persons, they make the person aware that they have to fight against the monarchy of King Louis. Like जैसे whenever you study any of the poem, or you listen any of the song, या आप कोई भी मूवी स्टोरी कुछ भी देखते हैं, तो what happened, a sudden feeling raised in your, आपके अंदर एक अचानक से बहुत ही अलग सी फीलिंग जो है वो स्टार्ट हो जाती है. इफ़ यू सी एनी ऑफ द पेट्रियाटिक मूवी और एनी ऑफ द पेट्रियाटिक सॉन्ग और पोएम, द व्हाट हैपेंड, द पेट्रियाटिज्म फील्स गेट्स हाई in the human body. In the same manner, the poems, the writers, editorials, stories, and these things make the sudden feelings raised in the people, so that they can keep on fighting with the person. So these philosophers had the huge role in the society. They wrote these of the books, right? I have given the name of the writers also. The Spirit of the Law, written by the Charles Montesquieu. In this he wrote that why monarchy is bad, मतलब राजा रानी का रूल किसी देश में ख़राब क्यों होता है. तो इसको पढ़ने के बाद लोगों के अंदर बहुत सारी चीज़ें समझ में आई. देन जीन जैक्यू रोस्यू, ही रोट द सोशल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. सोशल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मीन्स ही टोल्ड इन दिस बुक दैट हाउ शुड अ पर्सन लिव इन दी सोसाइटी. इसमें उसने बताया है कि एक पर्सन को सोसाइटी में किस तरीके से रहना चाहिए, उसकी लाइफ कैसी होनी चाहिए. व्हेन द पीपल स्टडीड इट, दे केम टू नो दैट कि उनकी लाइफ तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा ख़राब है. दे हैव टू फाइट फॉर देयर लाइव्स. नेक्स्ट, जॉन लॉक की टू ट्रीटीज ऑफ गवर्नमेंट, उसने टू ट्रीटीज ऑफ गवर्नमेंट के बारे में लिखा। मीन्स ही टोल्ड द कंपैरिजन बिटवीन द मोनार्की एंड द डेमोक्रेसी, मीन्स नॉन डेमोक्रेटिक एंड द डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्रीज़ के बीच में उन्होंने इसमें डिफरेंस दिखाया है। इसको पढ़ने के बाद लोगों को समझ में आया दैट द डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री इज़ द मोर बेनिफिशियल फॉर अस। फ्रांसिस एरोनेट वॉल्टर, ये he condemned the church which supported the privilege. What he told, he was against the church system, जो चर्च के नाम पे लोगों को परेशान किया जाता था और उनसे अलग से टैक्सेस लिए जाते थे. He was against that system, so he wrote in the book that the church system is very bad. Church persons should support to the poor person, not to the higher class persons. Already they are having very many kinds of things for their facilities. So all of these kinds of things were making the people, forcing the people to fight against the King Louis. That is why the war and the economic crisis, excessive taxation, social disparity, the rise of the middle class, the struggle to survive, and the influence of the philosophers and the writers made the people to fight against the King Louis, and so they started the fight and revolution against the King Louis. So this is enough for the today's video, students, and we'll study further in the next video. Thank you so much.